Welcome to my channel Living Linux. In this video I want to have a quick look at the open source game Widelands that was inspired by Settlers 2. So it's easily available for x86. So if you go to download, it's available for Windows, for Mac and also for Linux. But yeah, you can see that, for instance, the app image is x86-64. Now I'm on my Racha Rock 5B running Armbian from the Edge branch. I built the image and you can see kernel 6.16.2. And from the GPU, you can see that I'm running with the Rockchip RK3588. So you can't use the download links here, but it is available from the repository, or at least with some distributions. And it's also something that they show here, and there's also a PPA for the current build, but I didn't test it if it also has the ARM build available or not. But let's just say the Ubuntu repository, it has Widelands in the repository, and as you can see I already installed it. So this is actually the only command that you need. And if you're running some other exotic distribution, it is possible to build it from source. So, like I said, I already installed it. Actually, I also tried it on one of my RISC-V boards, but it was complaining that there was something wrong with the OpenGL driver. So I have to wait until that situation gets resolved. But for now, let's start Widelands and do just a little bit of the tutorial. So you can see from the tutorials, there's also warfare, seafaring, and economy, that's probably trading. So, but we'll just start with the basic controls. So here it says it's a slow-paced build-up strategy game with an emphasis on construction rather than destruction. But they also have warfare, so this is the objectives window. And it all starts with your headquarters. And you can show the building spaces. Now we're going to build the lumberjack's hut. And it also needs a road. So here comes the builder, and also someone bringing wood to build the hut. And now it tells you to build a flag on the road. So you can see that by placing a flag, you get another person on the road. That will help with the logistics. So you can see the percentage of building the hut in this case. So you can speed up the time with control page up, or slow it down with control page down. And just with small step with the shift. Okay, let's so I already opened the minimap, but yeah. So let's build a quarry. So you can build a road by clicking where you want it to end. And if you hold Control or Shift Control, the flags will be placed automatically. So let's try that. So we want to build a road, then we click Control and we click on the endpoint. Okay. So you can see that it automatically added a flag here. So if you already played games like Settlers, then you probably know how to continue, or there are more tutorials. So, but it's good to see that this open source game, Widelands, is also available for ARM. Well, it's also available for RISC-V, but you need to have a properly working OpenGL driver, so anyone with a RISC-V board with an AMD GPU should be possible to try this. And yeah, as I'm testing with ARM and RISC-V SBCs, yeah, one of the things that I will try also in the future is try some more games, and then especially open source games. So this is all for now, and I hope to see you again in my next video.